Welcome back, traders. In this video, we're going to break down one of the most powerful features inside the MK Elite indicator, the major key detection. Now, what exactly is a major key? Think of it as the candle where the market makes a decision. These zones often become important levels, and the market can react to them in the next move. Let's look at the chart together. Here, you see the first major key detection, marked by this green zone at the bottom. Notice how the market touched this area, and that's where we could consider a potential long position. And right after, the market pushed higher. Moving up, we can see another green line here, marking the next major key. And then, above it, yet another zone. These stacked levels show us where the market has made past decisions, and they often act like reaction points in the future. Watch what happens when price reaches the upper major key zone. The market reacts exactly at that level. In fact, right here, the MK Elite indicator even gave us a short entry alert. From that reaction, price moved all the way down toward the lower zone. And that's the beauty of major key detection. Instead of guessing where the market might turn, we're identifying the exact candles where decisions were made and then watching how the market reacts when it comes back to them. So whenever you're looking at the chart with MK Elite, pay close attention to these green lines. They're not random. They're showing you where the market has already revealed its hand. That's it for this breakdown of the major key feature. In the next video, we'll explore more tools inside MK Elite to help you understand market structure with clarity. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next lesson.